So I'm going to sow some parsley. This is a variety called Moss Curled 2. So to start with, just got my pots. I fill those up with a multi-purpose compost that's been finely sieved, and I've added some vermiculite that will absorb the water and give it structure. And if I squeeze there, you can see I've put plenty of water into it, but it's still actually really fluffy, so it's good structure, good water retention. And all I'm doing is filling this pot here to about sort of 2 centimeters from the top when it's compressed. So let's try that. Just using another pot to firm down. Yep, that's probably about perfect. Just clean that edge up so I can see. Yeah. Now I'm just going to sow my seed. So that's actually too much. So if you can see the seed there, I like to sow very thinly with parsley, whether it's in a pot or in the ground, because I find often it actually needs thinning, even, you know, as small plants once you've sown it. So I would say about 7 to 10 seeds for a small pot like that. This is it's a 9 centimeter pot. So that's sown there to 2 centimeters down. So I fill the pot back up to the top and then use another pot to compress down, and hopefully I've got it right so that it compresses down about 1/2 centimeter. I just tease the top a little bit, take some out and get there. So it's 1/2 centimeter from the lip of the pot, and it will be 1.5 centimeters down to the seed level. And I'll just lightly compact it down there so that the seed's in contact with the compost. Now all that's left to do is I sow the rest of the pots. I give the compost a mist on top, and that's just to make the compost wet again from where I've been handling it. I stick a label in it with the date on, and then I will just pop that in a tray to soak up some water. And it's as simple as that, and I just keep it just sort of moist as it's going along. I would expect to see this particular one come up in about 2 weeks, but anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks it will come up. And like I said, you will generally be thinning something like that. And with this one, it's actually one that likes to be fed really often, so I feed this about every 2 weeks with a mix. Here it is. I just use a little atomizer like this, and when the plant's actually up past its seed leaf stage, so when it's got its real leaves on, I just give it a mist with this. And in here is a maxi crop growth stimulant with seaweed extract, and I just make sure I use a very diluted mix.